Hello, my name is Asia Barrett, and today I will be presenting TJX Companies Incorporated as part of my IS planning project. TJX began as part of the Czar Retail Group. It was founded in 1976. TJX consists of four business segments: Marmax, which includes TJ Maxx, Sierra Trading Post, and Marshalls in the US; Home Goods, which is also based in the US; TJX Canada, which consists of Winners, HomeSense, and Marshalls; TJX International, which consists of TK Maxx and HomeSense. TJX operates with an opportunistic buying strategy. Buyers purchase merchandise from retailers, brand companies, and manufacturers that may be overstocked or discounted, and they purchase at a discounted price, which they are able to pass that discount along to customers. Executive team and personnel. TJX currently has approximately 340,000 employees, 86% of which consist of retail associates. TJX Company's executive team consists of 7 individuals, the top executives being Carol Mayerwitz, who is executive chairman of the board, and Ernie Herman, who is chief executive officer and president. They also have a board of directors that consists of individuals who are experienced or are knowledgeable in areas such as corporate leadership, finance, retail industry, technology, and risk management. In 2007, TJX leadership reported a data security breach. The company had been retaining sensitive customer information in a way that was not in alignment with PCI standards. The company was keeping sensitive customer information for periods of time that was longer than recommended. They were also keeping more of the customer financial information than what was necessary. And this data breach happened over the years of 2005 and 2006. As a result, in 2008, the company faced sanctions from the U.S. Trade Commissions as well as loss of customer faith and revenue. Here are some of the IS applications that TJX uses in completion of their business. Oracle is a major software provider. Microsoft, N4 and N4 Cloud Suites, JDA, Salesforce, and iTunes and Google Play. Strategic planning and business. Moving forward, TJX needs to focus on security, of course, to prevent any further data breaches and to maintain customer faith. They need to focus on growth and expansion, particularly internationally. They need to focus on keeping software and hardware up to date that are in alignment with their business strategy. Focus on improving logistics. This is a major point considering their opportunistic buying strategy. They also need to focus on increasing brand and merchandise availability per customer purchases in order to drive customer traffic and increase revenue. And this is TJX Companies. Thank you for your time.